This is Lindsey, one of Camille's friends. She's never wake surfed. Let's see if she can learn it.
All right, so you've never done this before?
Nope.
Okay, with any getting up wake surfing and wakeboarding, well, wake surfing, it's 4 steps, okay? And I teach everybody the same 4 steps. We're gonna pretend like this is the board right here, just floating in the water. Your toes are actually gonna be to the sky like this, okay? The first step, which we can't practice right here, is push your heels down, and it's down that way, and what happens is the board flips up on your feet like this.
Okay.
Okay? And then the second step is slide your butt to your heels. So you slide your butt all the way here.
Okay.
We'll practice it here in a second, but you'll slide your butt all the way to here, okay? And then the third step is push your toes down just like you naturally did, and then stand up.
Okay.
Those 4 steps will get you up every single time, okay?
Okay.
So we're gonna practice just steps 2, 3, and 4, okay? Right here, before we go on to put your toes down and stand up, we're gonna do just the second step,
Okay.
which is slide your butt to your heels right here, okay? So hang on to the rope. You want your arms strong and straight. You don't want to pull, you want to let me do all the work. But as I pull, you're just gonna slide your butt like that.
Okay.
Boom, to there, okay? So scoot all the way back. I'm gonna just move for a second. I'm gonna put some water on there so it slides a little easier.
I'll pop in and out of this video just like this to let you know what I'm looking for and to let you know what I'm seeing to help you be a better wake surf instructor on your boat.
All right, so your feet are gonna be to the sky like this, okay? Okay, here we go. I'm gonna pull, you're just gonna slide and then stand up, just like that.
Up until this point, she's done everything correct. And I can tell by how I actually pull her up. The way that I pull her up, if it's easy when I pull her up, then she's doing everything correctly, especially sliding her butt to her heels.
Just like that. You do that, it'll just be that easy.
Okay.
Okay, let's do it one more time. Toes to the sky. Okay, here we go. Yep, just slide just like that and you'll get up, okay?
She's checked all the boxes for me and I'm ready to get her in the water. But everything always goes berserk once we get in the water.
Okay, it's push your heels down this way, okay? And what that's gonna do is when you push your heels down, the board's gonna flip up on your feet like this, okay? And it has to flip up on your feet. If it doesn't flip up, you're not gonna get up, okay? All right, so we're gonna try that. And the way that I'm gonna have you do it, okay, is you're gonna raise your hands up a little bit. You're gonna have your knees bent a little bit too, so bend them right now.
Okay.
And then you're gonna push your heels down. You're gonna shove them down as hard as you can. Not yet, not yet, wait. Okay, so push your hands up, push your heels down. Like that. See how now you're trying to almost stand up? I don't want you to stand up yet because that first step after is slide your butt. So as I pull you, you gotta slide your butt to your heels. Right now you're trying to stand up, right? Here, hold on, let's do it again. You'll be out like this. You're gonna slide your butt, boom, to here. You gotta get to here, okay?
When in the water like this, I'm looking for one key thing. I'm looking to make sure that she slides her butt to her heels. Once the board flips up on her feet, most people try to stand up too quickly and shove their feet out, just like her. A couple more times practicing with her so she consistently slides her butt to her heels.
All right, so push your heels down. Yep, to there. You get to there and you'll get up.
Okay.
That was perfect. We'll do one more and then we'll just do it, okay? Okay, raise your hands up, push your heels down. Yep, to there. You'll do good right there.
Everything looks great and we're ready to pull her up with the boat.
Okay, raise your hands up, push your heels down.
Sorry I didn't adjust the camera. However, she did most of the steps properly, she just did them too quick. You can see right here that she slid her butt perfectly, but then she tried to stand up too soon, which got her in this awkward off balance position with her weight way over her toes, and then she got pulled over the front of the board. Right away, I could tell she didn't understand how it was supposed to feel when standing up on the wake surfboard. Here's a simple exercise that I did to help her understand what it's supposed to feel like to stand up.
Okay, I'm gonna have you stand gentle with your heels like they are, like mine. What we're gonna do is we're gonna have you squat down like this with your arms out, and I'm just gonna have you stand up like that, okay? Hang on about right there. You can squat down with your arms bent.
Learning is important.
Okay, maybe hold on a little bit further back here. Squat down again.
No, don't poke
Okay,
my eyes out.
and then slowly just stand up without pulling your arms in. Yep.
You
So
need to be able
it'll
to
end up
see
feeling like that when you get up. Do it one more time. Just like that.
She can stay in this seated position for a good 2 to 3 seconds. Let's try it again.
Okay, raise your hands up, push your heels down.
She popped right up, but wasn't standing tall with her chest up, so she was off balance and got pulled over the board again.
Everybody feels like they have more control when they're like this. This gives you less control and you're not able to do anything. What I meant by stand up is just your chest up, relax, take a breath, like this, right here. Knees bent, but chest up.
Try number 3.
Ready? Okay, push your heels down.
Success. Now let's get her surfing without the rope. But first, I need to get her feet in the right place on the board.
Okay, so your front foot, try to creep it forward on the board like that.
One of the reasons I really like the Hyperlight Landlock as a beginner board is because of the track pad that's on it. It has these stripes on it. It makes it easy as a coach or instructor to tell the surfer exactly where they need to put their feet on the board.
So look down at the board. You want it on the tee, on the tee. That's pretty good right there. With your right hand, let go with your right hand. Reach that way.
I hope you're getting value from this video. If so, please subscribe. It's free and it helps me make more content just for you.
Nose of the board towards me. There you go. Feel it?
I choose to hold the rope right here just to help guide her into the sweet spot of the wave, and also to help control the rope if there's too much slack or if she's going to get jerked really hard because she's falling towards the back of the wave.
So with your front foot, yeah, get the nose of the board towards me. There it is. Here, hang on with both hands real quick. Oh. All right, hands up. Heels down.
Now getting up is a piece of cake for her. We're just going to skip to the part where I'm trying to get her to wake surf without the rope.
Okay. Right hand, reach that way. Lean over a little bit. There you go. Up, stay in the way. Stay over here. Right in there. A little more weight on your front foot. Okay, let go. Reach towards me, reach. On your front foot, reach towards me.
When I had her let go of the rope, she just froze her body in one position. I see this a lot. Everyone just tries to tense up and hold their body in that one spot to try to stay in the wave. That's not how she needs to stay in the wave. She must put weight on her front foot. She was doing a good job at that before she ever let go of the rope. So we'll have to practice a little bit more to get her to make sure that she has weight over her toes and on her front foot.
You have to stay over your toes. The whole thing is over your toes. And with you, one thing that keeps happening is you have weight over your toes and your foot keeps drifting out this way. So the board keeps pointing you this way. If the board's pointing this way relative to the boat, all you're gonna do is go that way. And there's no wave out there. You gotta stay into the wave. So your foot has to stay here towards the boat. Right here, you'll be good. And when I say reach to me, it's not this. See how my butt went back? All my weight goes to the back. It's this. I like step towards the boat. My hips go forward and I lean like this. I still have to have my hand over here, so I'm going over my toes, front hand, reach to me like this. Okay? Awesome.
Now we try again.
Do it a little more. That front foot. Front. Back foot.
I had her ride for a good 2 minutes with the rope until I thought she was ready to drop it.
Let go. Reach to me. Reach to me. Front foot. Front.
She almost had it. By now, I can tell she is getting tired, just based off of her mechanics and her form. We've been doing this for about 40 minutes. So I just figured I would warn her and make sure that she could focus on doing the correct form.
What do you think so far?
It's fun. I want a boat now.
There you go. The other thing that's happening, I can tell, is you're tired just from all that we've done, because we've done a lot. You won't feel it right now. You'll be like, I'm not tired, Blake, I know. But I can just see from like technique-wise, I can tell you're tired. We can keep trying like 2 more times, maybe give it a break for a little bit, but we can keep going. You just have to really be conscious, like, okay, I have to do my form, because you're tired, and so your body's not gonna wanna do it.
Now back to the same steps again. It's just gonna take time to help her figure out how to feel the wave.
Back foot. Now front.
I can tell that she's starting to feel the wave because she begins adjusting her weight before I ever say anything. She's getting really close here.
Okay, let go. Let go. Reach to me.
And wow, success. Look at that.
Back foot. Back. Had it there for a good like 5-6 seconds. You were surfing without the rope. And then even before that, you were surfing for probably 15 seconds with just slack in the rope.
She's doing really well and wants to keep going. Let's see how long she can ride without the rope.
Back foot. Now front again. Reach to me. Reach. Yeah, you got it. Back foot. Back foot. Front. Front. Reach to me. Good. Back foot. Now front. Back foot. Reach. Reach.
She did amazing. Great job, Lindsey. This is our friend Farron. She was confident she would not get up on a wake surfboard. Naturally, I made a video teaching her. See how she did. Tap or click the screen here, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.